All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2017 Nissan Rogue. It is the SV all-wheel drive, beautiful red with black interior, alloy wheels, premium sound system, steering controls, roof racks, only 9,000 miles on this vehicle. Super nice, and best of all, minimum damage around the body. It's got heated seats as well, guys. Front bumper looks good. Your front hood looks decent. Your front fender looks very nice. Let me get my tire gauge. Here's your front driver's rim. Very nice LC curbing. And your tire thread is under 730 seconds, above 4. Let me double check that. That's correct. That's your hair under 630 seconds. This door looks good. This rear door looks good. And this quarter looks pretty good. Is that chippy? No, it's just a blemish. Here's your rear driver's side rim. Very nice LC curbing on this one. And your tire thread back here is under 730 seconds, above 4. Here's your nice shot of your roof and what that looks like. I don't see any dings, dents, or anything up there. You got power windows, power door lights, your power mirrors, your front driver's seat. As you can see, no holes, no tears, no rips. That it is a powered seat as well. Jump in here, turn it on for you guys, so you guys can check out instrument cluster and stuff like that. It does come with the 1-key fob combo and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. Got your AM, FM, CD player, Onyx, and all that good stuff. All right, that's working. Got your backup camera. Boom. You got your AC controls right down below. It is dual AC controls. Heated seats right here. 1, 2. Steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on except for airbag light on. And there's your mileage of 9,841. Turn on the lights, keeping it moving. Got some other crap here. Here's your rear passenger seat. What that looks like, no holes, no tears, no rips. This does come down and fold down like an armrest with cup holders. Coming around, rear bumper looks good. Rear lift gate looks good. Here's your rear trunk space and what that looks like. Pretty big and spacious. Does have this little decking here and here, and a spare tire up in here. Boom, with some tools and such. Alright, and I got the little carpet here. Boom, only 9,000 miles in this vehicle, guys. This quarter looks very nice. Here's your rear passenger rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing on this one. And your tire thread here is just a hair under 730 seconds. This door looks good. Here's the other side of the rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Does have rear AC vents. Front door looks good. Front passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Fender here looks good. Front passenger rim looks good. Tire thread under 730 seconds, above 4. All lights are working. Car looks great, folks. Once again, this is a 2017 Nissan Rogue all-wheel drive SV model with 9,000 miles. If you guys have any questions, concerns, please don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.